Today, we will demonstrate the assembly of Reed's PLAS inline rotary cutter for PE and PVC pipe. The PLAS cuts 6-inch to 28-inch diameter pipe. We will first assemble the PLAS1 6-inch to 12-inch diameter. This is the smaller version of the tool and can be extended up to 28 inches. This assembly includes the A-frame assembly, the C-frame assembly, 4 link pins, 1 screw assembly, and 1 link. This setup is for 8-inch diameter pipe, which means we will be using the outside holes of the link. First, we assemble section A to the screw assembly. Then, assemble section C to the screw assembly. Finally, connect section A and C together using the link. Please note, an additional B section might be necessary on 10-inch diameter pipe or larger. Next, we will assemble the PLAS2 on 18-inch pipe. This assembly includes the D-frame assembly, 2 C-frame assemblies, 1 B-frame assembly, 1 screw assembly, 8 link pins, and 3 links. This assembly will be for 18-inch diameter pipe using 1 inner and 2 outer holes on the link. First, we attach the D assembly to the screw assembly. Now, attach the bottom of the screw assembly to the C assembly. Then, link the 2 C assemblies together. Link the C assembly to the B assembly. And then the B assembly back up to the D assembly. There are 2 different blades for the PLAS cutter, a blade for PE and a blade for PVC. To remove the cutting blade from section A or section D, first remove the screw, then take the old blade out and insert the new blade. Make sure the blade is inserted with the cutting edge facing the same direction as the arrows above it. Finally, replace the screw. Back the blade off once it is installed. This is the full range of Reed's PLAS cutter line. For more information on these tools or any of Reed's quality products, visit www.reedmfgco.com.